What's up, everyone? It's your girl Kenzie here from LaytonSportsCards, and I'm ripping a personal for Jacob F. We've got a 2022 Topps Finest Baseball Hobby Box. Alrighty, Jacob. Good luck. 2022 Finest. Let's see what we can get here for you. 2 autographs. Again, y'all, we got group breaks tonight with some Sunday Fun Day breaks starting at 5 p.m. Eastern. Again, he's ripping literally everything. He's got hockey, he's got soccer, he's got WWE, and of course the baseball, basketball, and football. Ending the night with a 25-box mixer with some nice stuff in there, for sure. So I think last time I checked there were only 19 spots left. That's $800 break tonight. Here we go. Refractor, Robbie Ray. O'Neal Cruz, rookie base. Josh Lowe. Usually those mixers are 1,000 plus, and for the boxes that are in there, it's a nice value. We got rookie Ryan Valade on the Aqua to 300. Bieber, Ketel Marte. Allen, Seiya Suzuki. We've got rookie refractor auto of Spencer Watkins. Spencer Watkins, Orioles. Chisholm Jr. and Mookie Betts. Springer, CJ Abrams rookie. We've got Aaron Judge refractor. It's got a little bit of like a print going down the side there. Might be able to buff that out. Stephen Kwan, Francisco Lindor. Chris Bryant, Aura of Excellence, Ozzie Smith. Got green speckle of Jose Abreu, White Sox, 40 of 125. Robbie Ray, Steven Strasburg. Shane Baz, Garrett Cole, Cornerstone, Freddie Freeman, Altuve, and Aaron Judge. Second mini box here, looking for another auto. Acuna, Duran, refractor, Jose Altuve, Joe Ryan, Bogart. Blue Bob, Cedric Mullins. We've got green wave of Ronald Acuna Jr. 79 of 99 on the green lava. Royce Lewis, Gavin Sheets, rookie. Corbin Burns, Salvador Perez. Refractor rookie auto is going to be Brew Crew, Aaron Ashby. Aaron Ashby for the Brewers. Byron Buxton, Hunter Green, rookie. Jeremy Pena, rookie base. Matt Olson, Cornerstone. Refractor, Xander Bogaerts, Crawford, Matt Olson. MJ Melendez, Jastrzemski, Aura of Excellence. We've got Aqua rookie, Jeremy Pena. Nice one there. That one is 128 of 199. Good Jacob, nice Pena color. Mackenzie Gore and Julio Rodriguez, rookie base. Last pack. Goldschmidt, we've got a Bobby Witt Jr. rookie base. Or of Excellence, Vladdy Guerrero. That is on the black and gold parallel there, not numbered. Nice one there. Brujan and Trey Turner. Alrighty, heated up at the end a little bit there for you, Jacob. Thanks again for hopping in. We'll get these cards right out to you.